In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlink your EA account from Steam using the EA app. If you've connected your Steam account to EA in the past and now want to disconnect it, maybe to link a different account, fix a login issue, or simply clean up your connected services, this quick step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. The good news is that unlinking your Steam account from EA only takes a couple of minutes once you know where the settings are located. I'll show you exactly where to click inside the EA app so you can safely disconnect the accounts without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the EA app on your computer. This is the official desktop application used to manage EA games, downloads, and account settings. Once the EA app launches, sign in to the EA account that is currently connected to your Steam account. Make sure you log in to the correct account because the connection settings we need are tied directly to your EA profile. After you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the EA app window and click on your profile icon. This icon usually shows your profile picture or a default avatar. Clicking it will open a small menu with several options related to your EA account. From that menu, click on Account Settings. When you select this option, the EA app will open your account management page in your web browser. This page allows you to control different security settings, privacy options, and connected platforms for your EA account. Once the account settings page loads, look for the tab labeled Connections. Click on the Connections tab to view all platforms currently linked to your EA account. This section shows services like Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, and other accounts that may be connected. In the list of connected accounts, find the Steam connection. If your Steam account is currently linked, you will see it displayed here with an option to manage the connection. Next to the Steam connection, click the Unlink button. After clicking Unlink, EA will ask you to confirm that you want to disconnect the account. This confirmation step is important because unlinking may affect how certain EA games connected through Steam access your account data. Carefully read the confirmation message, and if you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the unlink action. Once confirmed, your EA account will be disconnected from your Steam account. After the process finishes, the Steam connection will disappear from the connections list, confirming that the unlink was successful. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully unlinked your EA account from Steam using the EA app. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.